Hello! In this video, you will learn about different methods for identifying conflicts between other APM products and the Site24x7 APM Insight .NET agent. To begin, check whether you have already installed the Site24x7 .NET agent. If the .NET agent is not installed, watch the YouTube video linked in the description. After installing the agent, if another APM product interferes with the Site24x7 .NET agent, any of the following can happen. 1. The .NET monitor is not created under APM, APM Insight, Applications, even after the .NET agent installation is complete. Or 2. The .NET monitor stops receiving data from the application. If any of these happen, open the .NET Health Monitor by navigating to Start, All Programs, APM Insight .NET Agent, APM Insight .NET Agent Health Monitor. If any other APM products are conflicting with the Site24x7 .NET agent, you will be notified as shown in the image. You can now use the Process Explorer or the Event Viewer to identify which product is in conflict with the Site24x7 .NET agent. First, let's see how to do this with the Process Explorer. You can check the description for the link to download and install the Process Explorer in your system. Once installed, open the Process Explorer and select w3wp.exe. A pop-up window will appear. Go to the Environment tab and look for the Core Profiler variable. The Site24x7 Profiler CLSID should be mentioned in the Profiler loading message as shown. Check the description to understand the Core Profiler mappings for the respective products. If you find another APM product's CLSID instead of Site24x7, it means it is conflicting with the Site24x7 .NET agent. Uninstall it because Microsoft restricts the use of multiple profilers on the same machine. Finally, perform IIS reset. Now, let's see how to find the product using the Event Viewer. You will have the Event Viewer installed on your Windows machine by default. Open the Event Viewer and navigate to Windows Logs, Application. Click on the event with the source .NET Runtime to check the profiler CLSID. The Site24x7 profiler CLSID should be mentioned. Check the description to understand the CLSID mappings for the respective products. If you find another APM product's CLSID instead of Site24x7, it means it is conflicting with the Site24x7 .NET agent. Uninstall it because Microsoft restricts the use of multiple profilers on the same machine. Finally, perform IIS reset. Now that you have identified and uninstalled the conflicting APM product using either Process Explorer or Event Viewer, you can restart your application and make some transactions. Once the application is up and receiving requests, you can view the monitor under APM, APM Insight, Applications. If you click the application pane, you can view the metrics and corresponding graphs. That's all, folks. Please subscribe to the Site24x7 YouTube channel for more updates on our product features. Thank you.